Hey guys, wanna know how to sign up or create your account in Taskade AI? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, open up your Taskade AI app. If you haven't downloaded it, make sure to do so. I have created a detailed video about it. It's right here. Now, open your application and then click on Login to Taskade. Now, once you've done that, scroll down a little bit and you can see don't have an account, sign up button. Click on this sign up button right here. And now you have various options to sign up from. Since you are signing up from Google, just simply click on it. Here, since I already had my Google account logged in, I have been automatically signed in. Now you can open Taskade and then you can use it as you want. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.